Black holes are the most mysterious and terrifying celestial bodies in the universe. It can tear apart anything that passes through it. Events worldwide matter. Even the fastest known light. After entering his range, there is no escape. Then it is such a terrifying celestial body. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? Hello, this is the Infinite Universe. Welcome to this episode. Black holes are unlike any other object in the universe because it's a massive star, product formed after death. When a large mass enters the tacit understanding of life, a supernova explodes and ends, and the core leaves a kernel. If the mass of this core more than 3.2 times the mass of the Sun, then the attractive force will be overwhelming. The core shuttles to form a terrifying black hole. The center of a black hole is the starting point of an infinitely dense high temperature. All substances are compressed into an infinitely small point. And the more matter there is at the beginning of the black hole, the more attractive force, so powerful that not even light can escape. That's why. The reason why we will never see him. But we can do it in other ways. Find his trace. Such as the attack rock produced by swallowing other celestial bodies. Or find some celestial bodies orbiting a invisible attractive force source. We can detect the existence of black holes. So if you fall into a black hole like this, so what happens? We all know that every black hole has an event. Once you enter a black hole, there is no turning back. Unless you can move faster than the speed of light. Otherwise, you can't escape. As you approach the black hole, first of all, you will see that the surrounding time and space have heavy distortion, and you find a lot of photons. Move along the black hole event world, but you don't have much time. Come and enjoy this view. Because of the attractive force of black holes will pull you towards its center faster and faster. As you approach the edge of the black hole world, so let's start with this. Your feet will be subjected to more attractive forces than your head. Then the heat and energy generated around the black hole will burn you. And your body is gradually affected by tidal forces. Pull into pasta. Before reaching the world will be completely torn apart into particles. And as a particle, you would orbit the black hole, finally falling into the starting point of the black hole. But that's just stellar black holes. If it is the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy, it's completely different. Due to the tides of supermassive black holes, force is much gentler. In this case, as you move through the world, your body will not be harmed, because the attractive force will be almost the same. Pull your feet and your head. You will slowly fall into the starting point of the black hole. And those who observe you from outside the world, you will see a different scene. Before you enter the black hole, they'll see you. They'll slow down, because it's a black hole. The surrounding space-time is expanding. Cause it to appear from outside observers. Your flow has become unusually slow, and you get darker and redder. And this is due to the attractive force of the black hole. Make the wavelength of light longer, so it looks red. After falling into the world, no one can see you anymore. You will be plunged into endless darkness until it hits the starting point. Some scientists speculate that if you fall into such in a massive black hole, you probably won't die. It was ejected from the other side. This exit is called the white hole. The so-called white hole, scientists, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, a predicted skyline. He is considered a launch only. Special cosmic horizon that does not absorb. It's the exact opposite of a black hole. Basically, when a black hole swallows matter, matter will pass through the white hole, released into another dimension. And this channel, it's what we usually call a wormhole, also known as the Einstein-Rosen bridge. However, the above is just a guess. After all, white holes are just a theoretical model. So far, astronomers have not found it in the universe. Evidence for the existence of white holes